Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file unpacking app on your Lenovo Legion. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. And we should write RAR. Press on the search button and from here select this app. Now click on the install and open the app. From here you will need to allow the access to the files for the app and dismiss the notification. So here you have the fully working app, and you should be able to pack or unpack the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.